Hello and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my nails, or how I did these nails that I have on right now. I literally just finished doing them and they look pretty good. I still need to do some other details. I still have some glue on my fingers, but I feel like they're looking pretty good. So if you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. So the nails I'm going to be using today are these ones by Kiss. But I got these ones at either Walmart or Target. I can't really remember where I got them from. But everything that I'm gonna need right here on the table. So I got the nail polish and the top coats that I'm gonna be using. And I also got my cuticle oil. Then I have the glue, the nail glue, and this is like the brush on. I have my nail buffer. I also have here on the side my Sun Mini to dry my nails fast. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I did, I actually went and picked my nail sizes and I just laid them here. So I picked out all the nails for the right hand and all the nails for the left hand. So they're just in order that I'm gonna be needing them. And the first thing I do is that I go in with my nail buffer, and this one has names in all of the sides. So I'm just gonna go with this one side that is to buff the nails, and I'm just gonna buff all my nails so that the glue has something to grab onto. I just very lightly use the buffer on my nails because I have really thin nails as it is, so I don't want to make my nails break or get any damage. So it was just really lightly that I did it. Now I'm gonna go in with my cuticle tool and I'm gonna push up all of my cuticles. You want to be really gentle with this. Also, just a disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. I'm not a professional. I have done this a few times, but I'm definitely not as good. Okay, so my next step is to actually put the nails on. So I like to start out with my pinkies and then work my way up to my thumb. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the glue directly on my nail. Okay, so I just finished putting them on, gluing them on, and this is what they look like so far. And now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna file and shape all of the nails to the desired shape. They pretty much look like they're coffin shape, but I want them a little bit more skinny at the tips. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished filing my left hand and I'm just gonna show you the difference. I don't know if you can tell. Also, this one finger is a little crooked, but I'm gonna fix it when I file it. But anyways, this is the difference. I don't know if you can tell very well, but there is some improvement on my nails. Okay, so I have officially filed all of my nails and now I'm gonna go in and apply the nail polish. The color that I'm gonna be using, well, I'm gonna be using this Insta Dry. I think this was only like $1. And then this is the color, the shade 243, Make It Snappy, I think is what it's called. Yeah, I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, it's the 243, Make It Snappy. So I'm just gonna do probably 2 coats of this nail polish, and then I'm gonna be using this so my nails dry faster. So yeah, I'll just show you that process. Okay, so now that my 2 coats are in, I'm gonna go in with my top coat and just top it off and then I'll be done with this process. So I just finished applying all of the coats and even the top coat, which I just applied this shiny one by LA Colors, I think. Yeah, it's by LA Colors. And this is what the nails look like. I still need to wash my hands and put on my cuticle oil. This is probably as far as I'm gonna go. These usually last about a week to a week and a half. Also, I forgot to mention before, but while I was putting the nails on, I was using the brush on. But after like my second nail, some of them were not applying as well, or they were not staying as well. So then I switched to this other nail glue. It just came with like a different packet of nails that I have bought in the past. So I just switched to this one. But yeah, I still need to clean out some of the sides and stuff, like that one and this one. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I am obviously not a professional, so I did many mistakes while doing these nails, but this is just what I do while I do my nails at home. It's just really cheap and it doesn't really take a long time. I feel like I did this in probably about an hour, so it wasn't really bad at all. And they look pretty good, and they last for about 1.5 weeks is probably the max that I've had these on, or that I've had this stay on my fingers. But other than that, I think this looks really good. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments down below. Also follow me on Instagram at CarlaAmariasF. Anyways, I hope you guys have a super good rest of your week.